This channel's content is protected by copyright and is not authorized for AI training and data harvesting.
First one on the launch pad today is Free Spirit 1. 830 Carry Cat with two 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back, getting ready to be pushed. And that's a push. Motors pushed hard. Trip die. I just changed my recording speed to 30 frames per second and it looks a little bit off. We'll keep an eye on that. And he's picking up speed to the north. Oh, there's some ugly dumper standing up on his shoulder. There's not supposed to be a sandbank there. He's running parallel to them. Boat has got enough speed. He's going to make it. Well done, young man. Beautiful launch. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Fill those hatches with great catches. Next one is Legacy. Legacy being pushed by their own tractor this morning. Wiseman didn't arrive. Also 830 Carry Cat with two 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back. Noah the skipper. I thought that tractor went in too deep, but it's getting out of the water slowly but surely. Back to Noah, that's on the speed. He's got some awfulness to deal with. It's turning around. Made a U-turn there. And he's pushing through the mid break. Yes, he's gone through. Well done, Noah. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Fill those hatches with great catches.